Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide through the art of Stoic living. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of ancient wisdom and its relevance in our modern lives. We're going to explore a thought-provoking concept from Seneca's moral letters to Lucilius, specifically letter 114, section 24. So let's dive in. Seneca, the renowned Stoic philosopher, provides a timeless insight. Our soul is both ruler and tyrant. It is a ruler when it strives for honesty, cares for the health of the body entrusted to it, and demands nothing base or shameful from it. But it becomes a tyrant when it loses control over itself, becomes greedy and spoiled, and thus receives the hated and cursed name. This passage raises a significant question. In moments of power and influence, do we become a benevolent ruler or a feared tyrant? First, let's paint a picture of ancient Rome, a society riddled with both magnificence and madness. Think about Nero, the infamous student of Seneca himself. Nero is often remembered for his tyranny, corruption, and brutal acts. His pursuit of unchecked desires ultimately led to his downfall. This reminds us of the famous saying, "Absolute power corrupts absolutely." But is that always true? Take Emperor Hadrian, for example. Despite the general association of power with corruption, Hadrian was a beacon of wisdom and fairness, an emperor who relied on the counsel of philosophers like Epictetus. It was under Hadrian's reign that Marcus Aurelius, another philosopher-emperor, rose to prominence. Marcus, often revered as a model of Stoic virtue, upheld the principles of honesty and self-discipline that Seneca championed. This contrast between Nero and Marcus illustrates that power doesn't inherently corrupt. It depends largely on the inner character of the individual wielding it. So, how does this ancient debate between heroism and tyranny resonate with you and me in our daily lives? The reality is, the principles of Stoicism are not just for ancient empires. They apply just as much to modern workplaces, family dynamics, and personal relationships. You might not be an emperor, but you do hold power over your actions, decisions, and responses. Consider your role in your professional environment. Are you a ruler, fostering a culture of integrity and growth, or do you risk becoming a tyrant, driven by greed and selfish needs? As Seneca puts it, being a ruler involves striving for honesty, caring for your well-being, and rejecting anything unworthy or shameful. On the other hand, when you lose control, allowing greed and excess to dictate your actions, you become a tyrant, both hated and cursed. Reflect on your personal life. Whether as a parent, a partner, or a friend, do you inspire those around you through fairness and compassion, or do you impose your will through manipulation and negativity? The Stoic path encourages you to practice self-reflection, to become aware of your internal ruler or tyrant, hero or Nero. This duality is not just theoretical, it's a daily exercise. By fostering virtues like honesty, self-discipline, and resilience, you cultivate the strength to withstand temptations, be it wealth, power, or praise. Marcus Aurelius himself stated, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." That's the crux. The power lies in self-mastery. To wrap it up, the wisdom of Stoicism furnishes us with tools to navigate life ethically and effectively. Ask yourself, in your journey, who are you becoming? Are you nurturing the ruler within, aiming for integrity and balanced care for your body and mind? Or are you succumbing to the tyrant, letting greed and corruption take the helm? Remember, friends, the choice between hero and Nero lies in your hands. Take these ancient teachings to heart and apply them to forge a life of purpose and inner calm. Let's continue this journey together, embracing the principles of Stoicism to thrive amidst life's chaos. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, reflect on who you choose to be, a ruler of virtue or a tyrant of vices. Stay strong, stay stoic.